Hey everyone, and welcome to our channel. Today we're going to explore the coolest and healthiest food trends coming our way in 2025. These trends are not just good for our bodies, but also good for our planet. We're talking about things like plant-based meats, foods made from things we usually throw away, and even, get this, edible insects. Get ready to be amazed as we take a peek into the future of food. Let's jump right in. Okay everyone, let's talk about plant-based meat. This isn't just a trend for vegetarians anymore. It's a revolution in the way we think about food and sustainability. This stuff has become super popular, and for good reason. You can find plant-based meat in crowded supermarket sections, and it's even making its way into popular restaurants. People from all walks of life are giving it a try. It's incredible how real these companies have made plant-based burgers, sausages, and even chicken wings taste. The texture, the flavor, the sizzle on the grill, it's all there. You'd be hard-pressed to tell the difference from traditional meat. Raising animals for meat takes a lot of resources like land, water, and food that could be used for other things. The environmental impact is significant, from deforestation to water usage and greenhouse gas emissions. But with plant-based meat, you can enjoy the taste and texture of meat without feeling guilty. Imagine biting into a juicy burger, knowing that you're making a more sustainable choice. It's a win-win for your taste buds and the planet. We're talking juicy, flavorful burgers that sizzle on the grill, sausages bursting with flavor, and meals that are as satisfying as they are delicious. And let's not forget the finger-licking good chicken wings, perfect for game day or any day, really. So, if you're looking for a tasty, healthy, and eco-friendly way to enjoy your favorite foods, you have to try plant-based meat. It's not just about eating. It's about making a choice that's better for you and the environment. Trust me, your taste buds and the planet will thank you. So go ahead, take a bite and join the plant-based revolution. Your future self will be grateful. Next up, let's talk about regenerative agriculture. This is a way of farming that's not just about growing food, it's about helping the planet heal. We're talking about farming practices that actually make the soil healthier, reduce pollution, and help different plants and animals thrive. Farmers use techniques like planting cover crops, rotating crops, and not tilling the soil to create a healthy environment in their fields. This helps to remove carbon from the air, keep water in the soil, and reduce the need for harmful pesticides and fertilizers. So the next time you're at the grocery store, look for products that say regeneratively grown or carbon negative. Your taste buds and the planet will thank you. Did you know that about 1/3 of all the food produced around the world ends up in the trash? Upcycled food is all about taking those leftover ingredients and turning them into delicious snacks, cooking ingredients, and even full meals. Keep an eye out for upcycled food products at your local grocery store. You might just find your new favorite snack. Okay everyone, let's talk about gut health. Our gut plays a super important role in our overall health and well-being, and fermented foods are like superheroes for our gut. We're talking about foods like sauerkraut, kimchi, yogurt, kefir, kombucha, and even sourdough bread. These foods are full of probiotics, which are good bacteria that help keep our gut healthy and happy. Probiotics have been linked to a whole bunch of health benefits, including better digestion, a stronger immune system, and even improved mental health. So do yourself a favor and add some fermented foods to your diet. Your gut will thank you for it. Alright everyone, let's dive into the ocean for our next food trend seaweed snacks. These oceanic delights are not just for sushi anymore. They have made their way into our everyday snacking habits, and it's easy to see why. Seaweed snacks are becoming super popular, and for good reason. They offer a unique, savory taste that can be quite addictive. Plus, they come in a variety of forms and flavors, making them a versatile snack option. They're packed with nutrients, low in calories, and a sustainable alternative to our usual snacks. Rich in vitamins and minerals like iodine, calcium, and iron, seaweed snacks can contribute to a balanced diet. You can find seaweed snacks in all sorts of flavors, from savory and spicy to sweet. Whether you prefer a bit of heat or a touch of sweetness, there's a seaweed snack out there for you. There are roasted seaweed sheets, seaweed crisps, and even seaweed seasonings. These can be used to add a burst of umami flavor to your meals or enjoyed on their own as a crunchy treat. Seaweed is a sustainable superfood. It grows abundantly in the ocean, making it an eco-friendly choice. Unlike land-based crops, seaweed doesn't require arable land or freshwater to thrive. It grows easily in the ocean, often forming vast underwater forests that support marine life. These underwater ecosystems are crucial for maintaining ocean health. Doesn't need any freshwater or fertilizer, making it a highly sustainable crop. This means it has a minimal environmental footprint compared to traditional agriculture, and actually absorbs carbon dioxide from the atmosphere as it grows. This helps combat climate change by reducing greenhouse gases. So next time you're looking for a healthy and sustainable snack, consider reaching for seaweed. It's a small change that can make a big difference for your health and the planet. Skip the potato chips and grab some seaweed. Not only will you be treating your taste buds, but you'll also be making a more environmentally conscious choice. You might just discover your new favorite snack food. So go ahead, give seaweed snacks a try and join the growing number of people who are making this delicious and sustainable choice. Okay, everyone, I know this one might sound a little strange, but hear me out. Edible insects. In many parts of the world, insects are already a normal part of people's diets. They're packed with protein, fiber, healthy fats, and important vitamins and minerals. Plus, they're much better for the environment to raise than cows, pigs, or chickens. Insects need much less land, water, and food than traditional livestock. They also produce far fewer greenhouse gases. You can find cricket flour for protein bars and baked goods, roasted crickets for a crunchy snack, and even mealworm pasta. So be adventurous and give edible insects a try. You might just discover your new favorite source of protein. Alright everyone, this next food trend is straight out of a science fiction movie, Lab-Grown Dairy. Imagine a world where you can enjoy your favorite dairy products without ever needing a cow. Sounds incredible, right? Well, it's not just a dream anymore. It's happening right now in cutting-edge laboratories around the globe. Scientists are now creating real milk and cheese without ever needing a cow. This revolutionary process is changing the way we think about dairy. No more large-scale farms, no more methane emissions from cows, and no more ethical concerns about animal welfare. Scientists take cow cells, without hurting any cows, and use them to create milk proteins in a lab. These cells are carefully cultured and nurtured to produce the same proteins found in traditional cow's milk. It's a fascinating blend of biology and technology. These proteins are then mixed with plant-based fats and sugars to create milk that is chemically the same as cow's milk, but without any of the ethical or environmental concerns. The result is a product that tastes, looks, and behaves just like the milk you're used to, but with a much cleaner conscience. Lab-grown dairy is a game-changer for the environment. Traditional dairy farming is resource-intensive and contributes significantly to greenhouse gas emissions. By switching to lab-grown dairy, we can reduce our carbon footprint and help combat climate change. Traditional dairy farming is a major contributor to greenhouse gas emissions, deforestation, and water pollution. The impact on our planet is substantial, from the clearing of forests for grazing land to the contamination of water sources from farm runoff. Lab-grown dairy, on the other hand, has a much smaller environmental footprint. The production process is more efficient, uses fewer resources, and generates less waste. It's a sustainable alternative that aligns with our growing need to protect the environment. So keep an eye out for lab-grown milk, cheese, and ice cream at a store near you soon. This innovative approach to dairy production is not just a trend, it's the future of food. As more people become aware of the benefits, lab-grown dairy products are set to become a staple in households worldwide. Get ready to enjoy your favorite dairy treats with a side of sustainability. Okay, everyone, let's talk about functional beverages. These are drinks that go beyond just quenching your thirst and provide extra health benefits. So, ditch the sugary sodas and artificial sports drinks and grab a functional beverage instead. Your body will thank you. All right, everyone, let's take a trip back in time with our next food trend, ancient grains. These grains are full of nutrients and are incredibly versatile. So next time you're at the grocery store, skip the refined white rice and grab some ancient grains instead. Your taste buds and your body will thank you. All right, everyone, get ready for the future of food because it's about to get personal. Personalized nutrition is all about creating a diet specifically for your unique genes, lifestyle, and health goals. With advances in technology, getting personalized nutrition advice is becoming easier and more accessible than ever before. Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed this journey into the future of food. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more exciting content. See you next time.